Hi, in this lesson you'll create a vehicle model of your own design, add wheel colliders, and configure a script to make it drivable. So let's get started. You'll use primitive 3D geometric shapes like cubes, spheres, and colliders to create a monster-looking vehicle of your choice. The body of your vehicle is called a chassis. Start by imagining what your vehicle will look like. Then deconstruct the chassis or break it down into more basic 3D shapes. In Unity, you'll then build your monster car using multiple 3D game objects. Unlike the chassis, your vehicle's wheels will be built from separate mesh and collider game objects. The meshes, or visible part of the wheel, will be built with multiple cylinders. The collider game objects for your wheels will be invisible to the player, but control the wheel's rotations and steering with the help of a vehicle control script. You'll use 2D texture images to create materials. The materials provide surface graphics to the flat driving surface in your scene, your vehicle's chassis, and the tires of your vehicle's wheels. You'll also use materials of various colors to give your vehicle a distinctive look. Once you finish building your 3D vehicle in Unity, you'll use a provided Vehicle Controls C# script to configure the vehicle's axles. An axle is a pair of connected wheels rotating around a single axis. In the case of a motorcycle, you may have two wheels, but they each have one axle because they rotate around different axes. The Vehicle Controls script also allows you to adjust the vehicle's motor torque, power, steering angle, how wide it steers, brake torque, how powerful the brakes are on your vehicle, and how quick your vehicle will decelerate, which means slow down. Other script properties can help you optimize your vehicle's performance while driving. Now that you know a little bit about the game objects you'll be creating, it's your turn to get creative and construct a drivable monster car in Unity.